Alright, people. We're going to fix what Jess screwed up. Alright, we're going to be fixing that because Jess broke it and it's her stuff.
But, you know, in all my spare time. All right, hey, let's get to this.
Between your 100 other projects?
Jess, this is for you. You guys broke your chair. So, this, you know, made in not the U.S., at least it'll be fixed in the U.S. Yeah, that's an interesting. Wow, that's a really rough. No, it's not. It's like
it's shaped for your
it
butt.
goes like this.
It's supposed
like
to.
this. Look, it's different.
Sit on it. It's for your
That's
butt.
no.
That's
okay,
for
look.
your butt. Try it. Oh, it works, doesn't it?
No, I don't like it.
That's way more
I don't
comfy.
like it. If you sit on this side, you're gonna be lopsided and fall off that side.
No,
That's probably why it broke. They sat on the side. Oh, we got a weld right there broken too.
Yep.
And there. Let's grind it first. Grab your face shield, and then we'll unscrew it.
Mm-hmm.
We can unscrew the center ones first, though.
I'm not sure if that's broken or if that just never touched.
Well,
Because it's
the
on
weld
both
was
sides.
all the way around. If you can see where they had the cold weld right there. It was
They
all
probably
the way
did it with a stick and a piece of paper looking through a tiny hole from what I've seen online.
Probably. Did you see how bad their original cut was?
Oh
Look
yeah,
at
it was like at a
Look
30
at
degree. Yeah, I know.
You want to do it like this?
No, because this isn't going to weld through well. Maybe if we do it this way.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know about that.
I'm so funny.
Can we put a level across this? And then, because theoretically all four of these.
You know what we should do is actually purposely bend it at an angle. Yeah, so they slip off of it. You know, a little off center would be funny because she was joking about how nice it was just to spin this thing, it'll spin up or spin down. Just a little off center would be real fun to mess with her. Oh, hold on. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this with my brand new Milwaukee jacket on.
You're going to burn a hole in it.
Yeah, I know. I think we're close enough. Do a tack on this side and then let's take it off. We're a tiny bit off center, but yeah, just
Are you sure we don't want to just take it off and reset it? 10 seconds of grinding, we can take it off and reset it.
But this will be so much funner to mess with her, just a tiny bit, just to irritate her.
Okay.
It's so close, but it's not even like it's that close because of the way it was built in the first place. You know, this is a lot more awkward than it should be.
Are you done yet? Are you done screwing around?
You know, hold on.
Are you done screwing around yet?
No, I am literally not.
Are you going to screw it to the table?
I am. I am going to screw it to the table. If I can get the drill to work.
Yeah, I got it.
Cha!
Did you choose the worst screw?
I think I literally did.
There's better screws. Some of these may be hard to put in.
Hard? I think beyond hard.
Oh, perfect. What a good rig.
You know what? That'll work. I'll get clear. But I think that's way better than it was.
Oh, no. Well, they cold welded it.
Cold weld.
Like they weren't running their welder hot enough.
Oh, yeah,
and so
yeah.
it only penetrated on this screw.
Yep. No, I can see. Look,
It's got to be an inch.
look. See, look right here. See, it's further that way than it is this
Yeah.
way.
No, it's bad. It's bad.
See that?
It's bad.
It's all for you, Jess, and your roommates. If You don't like this one, let them sit on this one. You can sit on the other ones.
Just don't spin too fast or else you'll get vibration.
Yeah. I think repainting a new color might be the way to go.
Fluorescent
No. There's a can of black paint right up front on that shelf.
Mason
Do
has
we
really
have to
good
mark
taste.
this modified in the U.S. now?
You don't
Correctly
want-
welded in the USA.
You don't want credit for that?
No, I do not want credit for that. I don't need
Right,
credit for that.
re-welded in the USA.
No. I know what we're gonna do. Where's my Sharpie? Oh, here's my Sharpie. I got it. What secret message do we want to put on here?
Under the bars?
No, on this. Yeah, we could put it on. Yeah.
Only we'll know.
Maybe we
Well,
should
and
just
Jess
put
will
Jess's phone number since she's single on this.
Yeah.
And then, hold it up to the camera. And then we would have to edit this and not Jess, though. Okay, so
I don't know anything about editing, but we could try it.
underneath it, I'll write Save and Shopworks. Underneath this. And then we'll all sign it underneath the metal.
Oh yeah, I like it.
That work?
Yep.
Should I write subscribe underneath it?
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Just a sub. Okay. And then I'll sign it. You want to sign?
Oh yeah.
Just for fun, just to mess with her. Just sign it. A simple signature. She's going to be shocked it's already fixed. Which, nope. That's not the right set. Is it?
Yeah, give it a rotate. I'll put the worst one out here so you have good access to it.
Well, okay, now just no one sit on it.
Here.
You can only tell that it's a little bit. It's mostly the rod that's tilted.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
It's like,
It really is.
It's bad.
You fall down this
That's
way.
not us.
It's like, oh, downhill.
that's not us. That's
It's like
someone.
uphill. And now it's like that ride at the parks, that tilted one where you spin around and try to stay on it. I'm sliding.
That's what the butt notch is for. You got to line your butt with the butt
Oh,
notch.
so it'll hold you in there.
Yep.
So it's like
Exactly.
a step to keep your
And
butt in
they
there.
actually did it on purpose, so now it digs into the back of your legs less.
Oh, stay on it.
What
I
are you
can't
doing?
push you off if you're not on it.
Tegan, you get on it so he can push you off.
So before he just did one at a time, now he's feeling daring. Alright, we're gonna cut something open.
Hold on. We're cutting these light poles apart so we can use them for a loafing shed for the cows. And we found these dampeners inside of it. That's the best thing I can think of. There's something in it. I think it's steel. We're gonna go ahead and cut them open. So there's one in each side, each one of these. We're just gonna cut it open and see. Now the trick probably was getting these things in place in the first place, because they're like probably 12 feet down in the pole. They're a third of the way down the pole, so I can't imagine them getting them in easily. They had to have built a tool to do it. So it needs to have some movement. Oh wow, those are just
Bunch of. Why would they do
spacers.
a bunch instead of just one?
Because that's probably what they had, and depending on the size of the pole would probably depend on how many they needed. So this looks like it's just a dampener for in the pole. That's what I'm assuming it was. And yeah, cool.
Hello people, I'm gonna show you something me, Dad, and Mason have built. It's been fun, but it's also sucked, and I smashed a finger, and Dad smashed a finger, and that was fun. We've been building this, as I've said, It's fun to walk on. And I don't know why I said that. But yeah. Oops. So we've gotten stuff done, I guess. Actually, we've gotten a lot done. Here, I'm gonna stop talking to you and just show you guys.